This rescue breath ritual is powerful because breath is the most immediate and fundamental self-healing cure we have. Start by breathing in through the nose and then sharply out through the mouth, sticking out your tongue as you do so. This clears the stale air that accumulates in our lungs when we breathe shallowly. Repeat this 3 times. With your eyes closed, breathe in for 5 counts through the nose and out for 5 counts through the mouth. Let your focus descend to your lower abdomen. Your heart rate will slow, your blood pressure drops, and your muscles begin to relax. With each exhale, visualize a smile extending in your lower abdomen. Repeat as often as you like. Do the rescue breath ritual during stressful periods. You can deepen the benefit of this ritual by combining it with bathing.